ID Cooling is a brand that we don't really hear a lot. It's not like Corsair or Cooler Master, but this item, is it a good buy? Is it a good value? Read on to find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You're watching our channel at Chester and Unboxing. Yo, so this is actually present Chester talking to you, and what you are actually looking at, it was actually recorded quite a while back. Alright, so that was actually past Chester doing the hosting, but I feel like I, as present Chester, gotta chime in a bit because that guy is so shy. That guy is so shy. He's like, he's like so afraid to make mistakes, right? But as we all know, we all gonna die 1,000 deaths. So, but he had to die 1,000 deaths in order for this guy to be like that in front of the camera. So we will ask for you guys, just be forgiving, just be understanding, just extend some grace, okay? Alright, back to you, past Chester. So today we'll be taking a look at a unit that is not very common, compared to the likes of Corsair, Cooler Master, NZXT, even NZXT. Alright, so yes, this is the ID Cooling XF-12025 ARGB Trail Pack. This is actually a 3-pack that is made up of 3 ARGB fans, 120mm fans. Yes, this is actually ARGB, which means that it is your 3-pin 5V. They are not your 12V, which is your older standard, the RGB standard. So this is the ARGB, the addressable RGB. So what's the difference, you might ask? ARGB fans, basically, you can address each LED individually. So what that means is you can actually have multi-colors in one setting, in one fan. Get it? So RGB fans, they only can have one color at a time. So all the colors will change together. So let's unbox this unit, okay, and let's see what this unit has to offer. Let's see how to connect and control. So yeah, there is a Mandarin and there is English instructions. So if you're hooking up ARGB fans for the first time, I highly recommend that you actually read the guide, because it is very important that you don't connect the wrong connectors. So let's take a look at the accessories box. So down here, first thing you'll find the controller. So this is the LED controller. In case for systems who do not have the ARGB header on their motherboard. So basically it hooks up via the SATA power connector, and on the other end is a 3-pin header. So this will simulate your motherboard connector and you can hook up the fans to it. But what's the fun if you're going to hook up one fan? That's why we have this. This is a daisy chain item. So basically, let's see what's the front. So basically you hook up this to the motherboard header, and this goes to your fans. This particular one has up to 4-way daisy chain. So yeah, I know, don't go all crazy and hook up like 20 over fans. They're gonna overrun this power anyway. So this is a daisy chain for the power. Connect this from your motherboard, and you can hook up to 3 of the fans in one header. Other things include the individually packed screws, which is very beautiful. I like. They have included 2 by 4 different screws. So the first set of 4 is the extended screws, which is used for your radiator. Second one is the standard screws, which is used for hooking up straight to the chassis itself of your case. Let's take a look at the fan itself. So yes, each of these fans are about 150 grams each, and like what I mentioned earlier, each of these fans have actually 2 headers, 2 wires coming out of it. So the first wire is actually the power connector. This is a 4-pin PWM. The second one is actually the ARGB connector. So this is your 3-pin. Alright, unfortunately I don't see a daisy chaining connector on it, like a male connector, which means that you have to rely on the splitter or hub. But it's fine, as long as you have a splitter, it will work the same. Alright, so the other 2 fans are the same. So let's just open up these 2. So this actually translates up to about 62 CFM of air, and get this, 1.78 mm H2O of static pressure, which means that you can actually use this for your liquid cooler, your AIO, and it's gonna push air pretty well. I mean, of course, not as well as the Corsair ones, but each of the price of a single fan, a single Corsair fan, it can be the price of a 3-pack. So yeah, choose your fans wisely. The speed of this is from 700 to about 1500 RPM. So it's about 26 decibels. So it's not too loud, but I would say it's actually not bad actually. 26 decibels is actually quite good. Alright, and yeah, it has rubber vibration, anti-vibration pads that is built into each of the fans. So let's check out the dimensions of it. So it is a 120mm fan, which means that each of these is 120 millimeters. Yeah, so that's what I mean. So if you have a 140 millimeter fan, your length and your width is going to be 140 millimeters each. So yeah, if you haven't noticed yet, the fans are actually white in color, so that it's easier for them to display the ARGB side of it, the color side. Alright, so I believe that is all. That actually sums up our unboxing and first look of the ID Cooling XF-12025 trio pack. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.